Так, значит, so we will do classic full set, yeah? You want to make nature look? Look at me, please. Okay. Not too long and not too short, something between, yeah?
Да.
Okay, first of all, we need to choose right curl for your lashes, because you have little hooded eyelid and deep set eyes. So I'll try to make decurl if it will be comfortable for you with your eyelid. Second, and just putting without glue between your lashes. Okay. Try to open your eyes, please. Okay, not peek, not okay. Look up, please. Yeah, it's okay. It will be okay. Okay, so we can make decurl. Close your eyes. Yes, perfect. So we'll do decurl. Decurl 11.